Hey folks, Mrs. Landon here. I hope your distance learning week is starting off nicely. Let's talk about what you need to get done here for AP Stats to wrap up second quarter. If you look at the calendar, you do have a deadline on Friday. It is our final assessment for Chapter 7. There are two assessments you need to take. So the first one is going to be a blue puzzle piece of multiple choice questions. Worth 600 points. And then there is going to be a free response, which is about 3 different free responses. So to access those, what you're going to need to do is just go into your Chapter 7 folder. And if we scroll all the way down, it's right here. Obviously, this is not retakeable and it is formative. When you click in, you do have to do the blue puzzle piece first. So select that first, get that done. Once that's been submitted, then the free response will open up for you. What I do need you to do for me, though, so I can make sure you have access to this when you need it, please go to the testing and reservation form, sign up for a particular day and time slot. If you want to take this before Friday, that's fine. You're more than welcome to. Just pick a date, tell me which hour, and then I will make sure that everything is open. You are going to want, I would say, at least an hour to do this. The multiple choice are going to take you a little bit of time. There's about 2 to 3 free response questions in there. So you can either print them off, the free response, and do the work on that and then upload your photos, or you can just do your answers on a separate sheet of paper and upload your answers that way. So please get that done by Friday by 3 p.m. Anything for Chapter 7 not completed by Friday by 3 p.m. will earn a 0, and that is it. Now, when we get back to in person, as I mentioned briefly in some posts last week, what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to have 2 free response questions from the AP board. They're going to be related to probability. So each of the 2 free responses will be related to Chapter 5, 6, and 7, all 3 of them. You can sign up for our win time the very first week that we are back. This is the only time you can take it. This is for summative extra credit. Sign up for win 1 or win 2. You can choose to do 1 free response or both free responses. Each free response is worth 1 summative point of extra credit. If you get a 4 per the AP boarding grade lines, I will give you 1 extra credit on that summative of FRQ. If you get a 3 on that free response, I'll give you half a point. If you do both free responses, then you have to get 4s on both of them to get 2 points extra credit. If you get like 3s on both of them, you'll get 1 point in total, and you'll get a half and a half. If you do not achieve a 3, you won't get any extra credit whatsoever. So you must get a 3 or higher per the AP grading guidelines on this. You can bring your calculator, and I'll give you a formula sheet, and that's all you can use. That's going to be the last thing that we do to wrap up the quarter. Again, hopefully this is next week. If it's not next week during win time, it'll be the following week. So let me know if you have any questions as you're working. Have a great week. Make sure to make this deadline. We're almost halfway done with the year, but we are 7 chapters of 12 done. So we are over halfway done with our learning, which is excellent. Have a great week, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.